Give back to the community to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is give back to the community or give to the community. It's said in many forms, but it means the same thing. It means that the area we live in, the area our business is in, and I'm going to stand up for this one and say I'm absolutely for this. We should give back to our community, meaning we should be an active participant in the communities that our business operates in. Why? Well, for a lot of reasons. Number one, it encourages people to help our business succeed, right? If we are contributing to their community and the community that we're in a positive way. Now, there's some businesses that contribute to communities in a negative way. I highly discourage this behavior, especially when it comes to killing the environment or harming other people or treating people not the way we want to be treated. But this idiom dates back to the Bible, of course, 37:21, as well as literally thousands and thousands of references, both online and off, can be found of examples of how we give back to our communities. In the Bible, it says, "The wicked borrow and do not repay, but the righteous give generously." And I think this is so true. If you are a good, positive, for the world business, you don't have a problem contributing. There's some businesses that aren't so good for at least the environment that do a great job contributing, but I don't think it makes up for how much damage they're causing. I think that some businesses give for the wrong reasons. Some of them just have to pay fines. Some of them don't care, and they just pay fines for destroying the environment or the economy or whatever. But supporting your local community, it's good for business. I say it's good for business. I'm going to share 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways that you can, or things you could do to support or be involved with your local community. And you can decide if those are right for you or not. You know, we all know that we can donate, we can do endowments, we can give charity, we can just actually give resources or money or our products and services pro bono. We can donate our expertise. The people that work with us can volunteer and help out and do different things for the community. And I contend that as human beings, we should do that. We should set an example by treating other people the way we want to be treated. And if we needed help, we would want people to help us. So it's, again, my personal belief, you don't have to agree, that we should participate in and give back to our communities, all the communities that are important to us and that we believe in. You know, charity starts at home. Treat the people you love and live with dignity, respect, and the way you want to be treated, and then spread that ripple effect out to your local community, your schools, organizations that you participate in, etc. So what are some 6 different ways we could do this? And I think I've done all of these before. I know I've done all of these before. You could help organize donation drives. Think of United Way organization. I love United Way because it does invest locally in the community. You can do volunteer days, meaning you can volunteer to help out in different organizations in your community. You can do blood drives. It's pretty easy to give blood. Unless you've got something wrong or you're sick, or for some other reason you can't give blood, you just sit there, you give blood, you drink some orange juice, you go home. And there's always a need for good, healthy blood, right? I know that I've had a couple of surgeries in my life, and if people hadn't donated blood, what would I do? I would have had a hard time. We can partnership with other entrepreneurs or other businesses to do any of these things and much, much more. We can do sponsorships. We can sponsor local youth. We can bring people in as interns and help train them and teach them or give them jobs, right? Provide jobs for your community. You can do pro bono work. We can, if you run a service business, you can offer to do that for your communities. Say you're an accountant, help to do the books for the community, etc. So, love to know your experience with this particular idiom, give back to the community. You might believe just the opposite of me, that you don't care about the community. You're just busy building your business. I will contend that it's easier to give a little when you've got a little than to wait until you've got a lot and then say you're going to contribute. Because what happens, it's like any other habit, we just don't do it. So there's some things I wish we'd teach our children when they're young, and they would just automatically be that way. And I think that we ought to. I think giving and being charitable and taking care of people in your community are some of those lessons that we should teach our kids. Anyway, that's it. Have an awesome day. Love to know your take on this particular idiom. Give back to the community. How do you feel about it? What do you think about it? Have you seen it as a positive for your business, or do you think, I'm not going to do that, haven't done it, not interested? That's it. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.